What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com. We're doing a quick review on some of the trade alerts that we put out to the trading community the other day. Now, on Sunday, I ran this scan of mine. I came up with a number of opportunities for the guys in our community to trade, and yesterday and today, they really started popping off. The first one was Visa. We were looking at this 144.50 level of resistance on a short-term basis to get broken out. Called that out on Sunday. They all watched the video. Boom. Today was the day. 144.50 was in fact taken out, and it moved up just shy of 1 point. So for the swing traders in the community that are trading some options on this, they are now officially in the position, and they're in a good, profitable position. So that's Visa. That was one of the first alerts that we put out. We also looked at a little bit of a short squeeze on JCPenney, and in fact today this also popped. Now this wasn't a huge mover. It was up only 4.5%, but again, if you were to trade a little bit of size at that break of 178, which we called out in the alert, and you just grabbed, about 10 cents, which is what it moved to the high, you would have done okay on this. But JCPenney broke out. Not a huge mover, but again, still a tradable opportunity that came out of the trading alerts that we put out on Sunday. This most notable one is MOBL. Not entirely sure what these guys do. There's some sort of tech company. Now, again, called this out. There was this big, massive, beautiful ascending triangle. And there was also this range resistance that I was cautioning traders of. I was saying get in at 490, manage your risk at previous candle low right through here. So traders were putting on risk of only 10 cents. And over Monday and Tuesday, this thing popped up and closed at 5.55. This was one of the swing trade alerts. This is a fantastic trade in the sense that if you would have put this trade on, you would have put on 10 cents worth of risk. And right now, you would be up about 75 cents in profit. So MOBL moved up. Again, not a huge move, up just shy of 10% intraday. We're used to really trading these volatile intraday stocks, which we did do as well today. But on the swing trading side of things, these are some nice calls, nice plays. Everybody's making money. If you have any questions about these stocks that we're trading or any of the past stocks or future alerts, by all means, get a hold of us. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. My email is actually in the description box below. If you want to become part of the trading community and get involved with our trading alerts, there is also a link in the description box below. And we'll be talking about this in Ask a Trader later on tonight and on Thursday, 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. So feel free, click the link below, get involved with the trading community, and join us in the profit zone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.